Cherry Lovers, we're out here today. We're going to get her done. Joyce is filming back there too. We've got Shannon working out here.
What were you doing out here, Shannon? They wanted me to film you.
Shannon's out here drilling, putting nuts in the tank.
Oh, wow.
That's what I said, get her filming doing that. What are you doing?
Trying to figure out which phone I put
Shannon's out here working with the guys. Go, Shannon.
Shannon, she's just working her butt right off.
I see.
Yeah, she's a working woman there.
Got me.
Who got you?
Mosquito.
Oh, yeah, they're bad.
Right in the side of the hand.
They're bad.
You want me to go cut a board?
Sure.
Cut it flat. 4 foot. Like use it for a template? Yeah. Just have a template. Just off through there. You just 4 foot, slide it over, tighten it back, 4 foot, tighten it down.
We get a 4 foot board with a 4 foot 4 inch field
We'll rig something off. It's raining. We're gonna go in, so let's go.
Day 2, putting up the high towel, coming right along.
Grab one and walk through there. I was just gonna say, you don't have any vehicles moving. Really? Put them on the back. Yeah, well, it's not here. We could have grabbed it. We were down there. Yeah. Hold on, Jan. Whatever you need, tell me, Mike. Might have to holler at me.
Who's that fella in the background there? Oh, that's Anthony.
I think that 4 foot bar is gonna work for you though. Holds everything in place. Huh? Nice, like I said, put that 20 there, it breaks just as it's stuck up. So you're gonna put one screw in there, that ain't going nowhere. That's what we're looking for.
Hi, Anthony.
Hey.
Can I see your mouth now?
Nope.
Hi, Micah.
Howdy. Come on, this is Cherry Lover. Howdy. This thing.
Howdy, Brandon. Guys are moving right along. They're working very hard.
Can I pull this boat down so I can walk along that?
There's Brandon.
It'll be okay.
Okay, Joyce, don't hurt your back, okay? Okay, that's crazy. Oh, that's right. You used to work for a 2 men in a truck. But I still wouldn't go over 4, son. I think 4 would be the limit.
No, I think 5. Yeah, how many?
4.
5.
Clayton said 5 would be the limit, but I think 4 would be the limit for me. For you too. That's a lot of boards.
Work smarter, not harder.
One right beside it.
The other way around. Work harder and smarter. No. Yeah, oh, yeah.
Putting the last 3 bolts in on the side. Believe it or not, we've got a lot going. In about maybe an hour or 2, we should have the plastic up over the top. We've came a long way from 2 days. We've done a lot of heavy work in here. Big man here up there working. That's hard work up there. It looks easy, but it ain't. All right, bye now.
Yes, you can. They're getting ready to pull the plastic over the high tunnel. Hello guys, give me a thumbs up. Everybody ready? Whoop whoop.
Alright, Grandma, get this. I gotta get fancy job.
Okay, gotcha. And my granddaughter Quenisha has the most important job. And it's coming.
We gotta finish, boss. Want me to go in there?
Yeah, go in there.
Wait!
Wait. Let her pull this side. Let her pull this last one. There we go. There we go.
Wait!
You good?
No!
I got you. Go be over there side. There you go. Come that way.
Okay, baby, now! Come back! Y'all gave me the worst job!
I gotta do some down. That's better. Come here.
Great. Wait a minute, wait! Put this on the ladder. Go, Lord, you say work it up. Okay, go ahead.
You gotta pull more. There you go. Hold on. I gotta pull this over more. Hold on. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Pull it over. We'll adjust it later. Okay, good. I got it.
Going great, guys.
And the guys over here are pulling. And it's over that side. Looks like they missed it right here in the front though.
Wait a minute, step up the tree. I'm coming. I got it. Okay. I did a lot of work, y'all. I can give you $5. They got to pull too much up. Yeah.
There you go.
I'm gonna need about $5 or $10.
Dewana, hold that ladder for Quentin.
I got 2 foot. I got 2 foot on this side.
Go to play this side.
Okay, anyway.
Somebody get into that center. Don't let that go. Watch out, baby. Don't let that center come up. Yeah, primitive. That will put some wiggle wire in the
Wait,
middle.
am I good to go? You guys done pulling? No, stay right there.
No, I'm pulling now. Pull. The wheels pull more? Yeah, pull some more.
Wait, we don't got much on this side to hold
There's
on.
not much left.
Right?
You good?
Yeah, that's good. Just stop right
Wiggle
there.
wire. Yeah, everything right here. Hey,
Oh, you on the ladder?
Oh, I forgot already. I forgot. You got me started.
I'm a little strong, but not that strong.
What matter is I was on that side. I almost fell off that side.
Wow, I got mosquitoes all around me. They're not even biting.
No, not even me. Well, they ain't around me.
Oh, well, that's because I bathed in that spray right there. I did. They're not even biting me. I'm glad. That works. Maybe we should spray some on in the house.
Hello.
Technical difficulties on the end.
No, when I was down there, I had to come down here. It's just gonna move.
Well, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, Quentin, you can go over there and help her. I think Clayton's got that. Do you want to hold the ladder? I don't.
have to get a new ladder.
We got a new one. I don't even know where that thing came from.
Down there. There's no one right here. You got to scoot over.
You see this?
Hold it over.
Thank you. There you go. And Larry's putting in the wiggle wire, and that should hold it.
That's how that holds that. Does it fit right into the thing?
Yep.
Yeah, it's so cool. Like, it's like this, but it just goes right into this side here.
I'm glad they're doing that part because that was no fun.
Oh, what's the fun?
Yeah, because it's a lot of it. It's a lot more that you have to do.
Oh, so I got excited too fast.
Oh no, you're doing great, but you're just gonna have to do like 50 of them.
So everybody get one point.
He said he had to take them out. Just leave it in, so he said, just so it holds down.
Yeah, there's like about 50 at least. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. You do adjust the string with a ripper.
Right.
That's all they're supposed to do.
They're smart engineers.
Somebody called it 39.
Oh, this side is coming down off again.
They're good bugs. Oh, that's how I'm protecting it.
Get back on that side.
Because he's doing the wiggle stuff. Oh, low key though.
Before you guys got here.
One. I'm good. I just wanted to get everybody one. I got a video. You guys can go. I'm done. I'm good. Is he coming?